Hello everybody, here we are testing our DIY rooftop tent crane. This crane is I use a 2-inch tube steel, 1/8 inch thick, and welding together, and using the bottom plate. You can see use a 1/4 inch thick steel, this kind of design, and inside it can turning because the inside there's the tube. I think 1 inch and 3/4 tube inside, so it can turning. And I can also, by this device, I can stop, make a fix the orientation. So right now I'm doing a testing, and I try to lift out this laptop shed. The beam distance will be 75 inch, and overall taller is I think it's over 8 feet, right? I'm just doing the testing, so my basically using a welding machine to weld it myself, so the quality is not that good. It's first time, so I try to do the first. Okay. Overall design, I just try to have this maximum load about 300 pounds for a rooftop tent. But basically, I don't have a rooftop tent right now. But overall design for like that. Okay. And you can see here's my welding machine. Now I'm using a Mig with gas, 20% of the carbon dioxide, right? And plus the 80% argon gas. The welding machine, I use Captain Mig 205 Pro. Overall, so far so good. That's good. Feels good. Before I try to use stick welding, I found it's difficult. And there I use a Mig fuse. Still has some dirty. So, but once I use this gas, I found it's much clean, and it's very easy to use. Okay. Here's and this is my welding card. Okay, first time doing the welding DIY, and since I have this kind of equipment, basically open the wall, I can do all kinds of metal work, right? So I can do a repair, I can mix all build all kinds of frame work. So now go back and let Jason hold it for me, and doing test. Let's lift this one. I guess right now it's not very balanced yet. Yeah. You can turn it, okay. Sometimes you can turn it, okay. 这个也能 turning this.
It's stuck looking down.
Huh?
It's not looking up. It's looking down. It keeps looking down.
你可以转它呀，你可以动它的。Okay, let's try. I forgot how to work. can you come here? Can you have your leg nearby? Here. Come here. I guess I may need it too. Yeah, it's almost full. Need a block. Block it. Left. Still a little bit. It's very lots. Hey, Jason, come here. Look. Why that's very much? Oh, because this is turning right now. This because it's blocked, right? So this one. Yeah, I cannot say why it's spending that much. Yeah, you can definitely see it. Maybe it's low, too low. Spending too much. It's just too long. Why it's spending that much? Yeah, the base. Why? I need to find a way. Okay, you can see the base. You tilt from there. Because the base, I don't worry about that. I have a way. Jack it up a bit. This time I use how much, see if it's worked or not, okay? still tilt, right? Still tilt, but I think I try to lower it down. Really? Already lose balance. Hey, how you doing? Very good. Did you record that? Yeah, maybe this one is only 3 sides, not enough to get load. Even though I use a 1/4" 6 steel plate, look like a bending bit. That's why I cause it look like a thin. Suppose the design should be hold up to 300 pounds. Okay, hold on. 160. Yeah, go. Oh, 1 foot. Well, 230, 220. Okay, go. Go on. Only 260, 260 exchange around 262, 262.